Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of passive income and how you can leverage cryptocurrency to earn a steady stream of profits. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the different ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency, let's quickly define what passive income means. Passive income refers to earning money without actively working for it. It's all about making your money work for you. And with the rise of cryptocurrency, there are several avenues to explore. Method number 1 is staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations. In return for staking, you earn additional tokens as a reward. This process is often referred to as a proof of stake, POS consensus mechanism. Method number 2 is master nodes. Master nodes are specialized nodes on a blockchain network that perform specific functions to keep the network running smoothly. To set up a master node, you typically need to hold a significant number of a particular cryptocurrency as collateral. In return, you receive regular rewards in that cryptocurrency. Method number 3 is decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. DeFi has gained massive popularity in recent years, and it allows you to earn passive income through various mechanisms like liquidity pooling, yield farming, and lending. Method number 4 is dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Some projects issue tokens that distribute a portion of their profits to token holders. By holding these tokens, you can earn regular dividends based on the project's performance. Method number 5 is crypto mining. While it's not entirely passive, it can still be a lucrative way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Mining involves using powerful computer hardware to validate transactions and secure the network. In return for your computational power, you receive cryptocurrency rewards. Method number 6 is cryptocurrency lending. This method allows you to lend your cryptocurrency to others and earn interest on your holdings. Various platforms facilitate these lending activities, and the interest rates can vary based on the supply and demand dynamics of the specific cryptocurrency. Method number 7 is dividend-paying stocks or funds in the cryptocurrency industry. Some traditional investment platforms now offer dividend-paying stocks or funds that focus on companies operating in the cryptocurrency space. By investing in these stocks or funds, you can earn passive income through regular dividends. Now that we've covered these different methods, it's essential to mention that earning passive income with cryptocurrency also comes with risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. It's crucial to do thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's all for today's video on earning passive income with cryptocurrency. We hope you found these methods useful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!